We're going to a chicken temple.
We're in Borobudor, home to the Borobudor temple, but more importantly, home to the chicken temple. We're gonna go see a chicken-shaped church.
There really is a chicken. It's so majestic.
It's the chicken-shaped church. Let's go check it out. We're at the top of the chicken crown, and we're the only ones up here at sunset. It's great.
I can't help it.
This is Borobudor, which we're gonna see tomorrow. But right now it's all chicken crown.